Hey, this is Nate from Web 801, where we turn brochure websites into sales machines. In today's video, I'm going to go through a step-by-step guide on how to set up a simple PowerPoint presentation using Canva. Let's get started. Okay, so we get to canva.com, and I use the pro version of Canva. There's a link in the description below for a free trial for the pro version, but you can also do this in the free version. I'll come up here to the top and I'll go to templates and then business and then presentations. And when I get here, it's gonna give me a lot of different presentation outlines. I'm just gonna filter by business and I will look through this. What I'm looking for is something that closely represents the way I present my business. I can click on different ones. It'll show me, like if I click on this, it'll show me the different slides. I can scroll through those and just see, okay, that's maybe close. The one I like best for me is this one. I'm gonna click on that and it has a good outline. It's got a dark background. It's got, as you can see, all kinds of different slides. I'm gonna click customize this template. Now the next thing I'll do is obviously the yellow does not match the color of my business. So I'm gonna go to my website and I'm going to see the color scheme. And I use an extension, a Google Chrome extension called Colorzilla. This is what it looks like in Google Chrome. I'll put a link in the description below. But I downloaded this extension and then when I get here, it'll show up in my toolbar. I click on that little icon and I pick color from page. Then I'll put it right on my logo and that'll copy the color code. When I click apply all 26 pages, it should show all of the pages here. So I've changed this yellow to the orange. And then if I scroll down here to the bottom, you're gonna see all the yellow to orange. And I'm gonna click on apply. And then color changed across all pages. So as I scroll down, I'll start seeing all the oranges, or all the yellow is turned to orange, at least for the background colors. Now the next thing I'll do is click on the text. And then I'll change that to orange as well. And again, it will change for all. And then I'll say yes. And then it's changing all of the yellow text to orange. Then I'm gonna click on this text. And right now, this is like a gray. I'm gonna change it all to white. And then yes. And you'll see it's starting to come together. This tan, I'm going to change this to the gray, like this. And I'll say yes. And that changes like these little icons and the background color. And I just scroll through this and make sure that I'm getting everything. So there's the orange, there's the gray. I'll just make sure that I'm getting all of the color scheme to match my overall look and feel of my website. And for the most part, it looks like we've done that. And this looks good to go. Then at the top, I will change this to the name. So Web 801. Business presentation, and I'll save that. And that is how I create a professional looking PowerPoint presentation for my business using Canva. Thanks for watching today. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. I'm Nate from Web 801, where we turn brochure websites into sales machines.